bilis niyan maglakad sa bukid.
The world feels cold without you here. Every step I take, I feel the fear. I try to breathe, but it's so hard.
Good day everyone, Jamralia here, and today I will share with you my travel in Sulu, and of course I will give you a brief info about the province. Officially, the province of Sulu is a province of the Philippines in the Sulu archipelago and part of the Zamboanga Peninsula region. Its capital is Hulu. Sulu is along the southern border of the Sulu Sea and the northern boundary of the Celebes Sea. Mapisak Yusra pag ulan.
Ang manok na ba no? Kaya po,
Oh.
you want to wear it?
Later. Bakit? You want to wear it?
Yeah,
In the house?
Gimba.
In the Gimba, yeah? You will go wear it in the Gimba?
Yay!
Alay ko.
Eh, Mama. Sa kanina kami bintang gawa na magkain.
You miss me, Yusra?
Yeah?
I miss you too.
What? You miss Apo?
Yeah. Let's go. You're so tired. You're so tired. Wait, come. Oh, go. Oh, I will hold you. You want to go up?
Here.
Yeah, you go first. I will just walk behind you. Yeah. What happened? Yeah.
Ooh, Jang.
Oh, Ujang is there.
We know, right?
Yeah. We are just following them. Yeah. We will follow them.
Tagad.
Yeah, nagtatagad si Ujang.
Tatakad si Jang. Layo yung mama niya.
Expert na. Expert na yan maglakad si Yusra sa ano, sa bukid.
Jang.
Nandito kami sa Masjid Kunjungan ng Luzon. What happened? Huh? Yeah.
Nothing. Scratch.
Mhm.
You have a phone?
Huh?
You have a phone?
Yeah, I have.
No, no.
Hindi, maiwan ka talaga.
You're the ant.
Oo.
Hey, there's Joey.
Bilis maglakad ni Yusra. Yun, nauna na si Yusra.
Nadaan ako ba, Jo?
Oo. Awon ako badyo. Di, di sa likod ko. Nice? You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Hmm,
No. Let's go here.
yeah. Kambing, oh.
Okay,
Yeah.
here.
Let's go, Hide. Come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come
Oh. You walk first.
on. Yeah. Look, it's broken, this one.
It's not broken.
Hear it.
Yeah, it's not broken. Yeah. The sapi.
Yeah, it's a cow.
The cow. Sapi is cow. Cow is baka. Sapi in Tausog, baka in Bisaya and Tagalog, and cow in English. Yeah.
Mm. Oh.
There's a cow. Oh,
Hold it.
hold mommy. Hold mommy.
What is chicken?
Yeah. Uy, natakot tuloy yung chicken sa'yo. Hindi yung chicken, rooster. Yeah. It's a male chicken.
You're not.
Yeah.
Oh, the sheep.
Oh, what is this? Nabuwal. Assalamualaikum.
Ano yan?
Natumba. Natumba.
Hello, dear. Muhammad Nur.
Kamundi. Dahil mayo kayo na nakakagkako.
Nagbabuhay.
Ba't ka nag-awo?
Doggy. Yeah.
What is that? Ayos na. Hold me. Yeah, hold mommy.
Mami Aliyah. Kasi magulang ako, tabi Muhammad Nur.
Muhammad Nur. Muhammad Nur in magulang mo. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Magulang naman ni Kelly.
Yeah, Muhammad Nur is magulang mo.
Muhammad Nur.
Yeah.
Siya mawa ka po.
Muhammad Nur is your kuya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why you are asking? Huh? You are confused? You are confused? Who is magulang? Mabilis maglakad siya sa Yusra.
Look. Look, the house.
Look, which house? Ah,
Ano?
yeah. We're almost there.
Ako may naan yan. Uy, mati ka nakakapagpag kanina.
Assalamualaikum po.
Uy. Ito siya Rivina. Ito. Uy. Marina kami yan.
Hindi po. Yusra. Sapi Yusra, oh. Oh, hey, Yusra, come, come, come. Come.
Ay ko magsukmat ko.
Ah.
Ang manok ko ay nakasahan.
Ah, okay. Oh. Mhm.
Ito na tulang ko na nga sa atin.
Ayan, assalamualaikum. O, diba? Ayan, nandito na kami. O, diba? Cheers!
My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't